Greetings to all my watch kakis, and today we are very excited to unbox this watch here right before me. This watch here is fresh from the AD, and this is one of the Tudor Black BB58s, and I got this watch on loan from my good buddy. My buddy's name is Hwee. So I'm just gonna talk a bit about my friend Hwee. I've known Hwee for my entire life. I've known him for more than 40 years, and Hwee is a really cool guy. He's a really small guy. I think he's about 5'3", 160, 161, small size guy, but he's a really great guy with a big heart, and he has very kindly agreed to loan to me this watch that is fresh from the AD. Alright, so fresh from the AD, he handed this watch to me, the entire package. And Hwee, I love you. I thank you for trusting me with your watch. So let's just get the outer sleeve out of the way. So this is the outer sleeve, and I believe this is the latest generation or latest version of Tudor watch box. I think the older one was brown, alright, in brown color, and this one is black. Alright, so this one here is warranty information from the AD. I love these guys. Their service really the best. So moving on to the rest of the retail package, here we've got the new style Tudor box. Alright, so actually the entire packaging is new style. The old one had this piano box finish, and this one here just has a more modern feel to it. Of course, it's plastic here, but I think it's got a modern feel to it. So I'm just gonna flip open the lid here, and pam 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 pam, ta da 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 da, you get to see this one here, the beautiful and elusive. Alright, for many people this watch is very elusive. I'm just gonna bring it slowly to the camera. This is the Tudor Black BB58. So this watch here does have a wait list at the AD. I'm not too sure how long the wait list is. Hwee, my good friend, my buddy, he was very excited to get the call from the AD. Alright, needless to say, he was very happy. He flew down. Alright, he flew down and he went to collect his watch, and this one here is just beautiful. Okay, the Tudor Black Bay is a different watch if you compare it to the Tudor 41mm series. This one here does have a lot of many differences, and many of which are improvements. So let's just put aside the watch for a while, and we're gonna see what's going on with the rest of the packaging. So it's got the hang tag. Reference number for the watch M79030N001. So this is the gilt dial version, not the navy blue one, not the one that David Beckham is wearing. And also, speaking of David Beckham, alright, so this watch here from the AD, it doesn't come with any AD discount. Okay, so the sales staff, the sales associate there actually said you have to look like David Beckham to get a discount. Okay, so if you don't look like David Beckham, sorry, there's no discount for you. You have to pay the full retail price of Singapore dollars 5040, and that's the amount that Hwee paid for this watch. Okay, he went to the AD thinking he would get a discount, I don't know, 5%, 10%, but he went away with no discount. And this guy here, great guy, he paid full retail for this watch. And legend has it that people are paying lots of premium. I think they're paying about 5,500 to 5,800 Singapore dollars when the retail is 5040. So let's see what we've got here. I think we've got the warranty card and serial number, again new style, and these are the guarantee booklet and user manual, which I don't think we will need such things. So here's a close-up look of the Tudor BB58, Black BB58 gilt dial version. This is the first one, the original. I don't care what you say about the navy blue, alright? To me, this is the definitive BB58, alright? The charm of the Black Bay lies in the gilt dial, so don't be fooled. Watch fans, don't go for the navy blue version. Okay, so a quick wrist shot for you guys, and I think I need to remove a few links from here for a really small wrist, under 7 inch, and here you can see that this is the perfect fit. Alright, it's like the Goldilocks size. Amazing watch. 39 millimeters case diameter. It fits really well. Total thickness is about 12.2 or 12.4. Okay, so it's a very different animal to that of the 41 millimeter Black Bay, which I found it doesn't really wear so well. So got a really nice taper from 20 lug width to 16 at buckle side, and of course you get nice stuff like ceramic ball bearings at the buckle, at the enclosure here, so really fantastic. And the clicks here feel very good, fantastic looking. So I'm going to do the usual hand alignment test, and I'm going to see if everything lines up properly. So this is really worrying. If you buy a watch for $5,000 and the hands don't align properly, I think you won't be very happy. So 12 o'clock was really good. 3 o'clock, let's see. Ta-da! Okay, looks good here, fantastic. Alright, so if you see slight misalignment, it's because of the parallax error. Really nice watch. Winding here is also very solid. I think you can hear the winding. Okay, so it's really solid. Crown operation is smooth and feels really nice. Now let's check the bezel clicks. Just hear how crisp and precise the clicks are. I tell you, the Black Bays, they have the best bezel action among all the watches I've tried. It's just so satisfying. It's a 60 click bezel, but it does the job so well. Okay, let's just take a listen again. It's just so nice. Okay, so overall fantastic first impressions, and I can really see why there's such a big fanfare going on for the BB58s, why they're commanding a premium. Okay, so I think you can really understand why these things command a premium, right? So in terms of size, build quality, I don't think you have any complaints. Okay, it's not the best. Alright, there are many watches out there with better finishing, better clasp with glide locks and all that, but those watches are going to cost a lot more. Okay, and in terms of design, I think this one is just unbeatable. Okay, simple, right? It is good looking. It's got that vintage vibes with lots of modern goodness in it. Really nice looking and nice operating bezel, ceramic ball bearings. Everything just feels so good. This watch here feels really nice to wear. Slight complaint from me, too many polished surfaces. I would prefer watches with mostly brush finishes, but I think over here, the designers or Tudor, they have their own ideas, so I'm not going to argue with them. What do I know? Alright, so I'm just gonna show you the watch here close up. I'm just gonna slowly do this kind of flips and rolls and all that to let you see how well built the watch is. So I apologize for all these fingerprints and weird reflections of the polished surfaces. I want to let you see what I'm wearing at the moment. Okay, so fantastic build here, build quality here is just fantastic. Okay, I think everybody should be very happy with this watch here. Alright, it is a mid-price, I would say mid-price kind of diver, in-house movement. Okay, now it's a little bit elusive. I think it's pretty hard to get. You do need to get on a wait list, or if you're impatient, you might need to go into the secondary market. So I don't really think that's a good idea. I don't believe in paying too much of a premium, and I'm so glad that my friend Hwee, alright, a legend of a guy, Hwee, I love this guy, he was able to buy the watch at retail. Okay, so even though there was no discount, I think Hwee should be happy that he got the call from the AD, and I really hope these guys at the AD, it's nice to build a relationship with them, and in the future, you might bump up your chances at the wait list. So a final round for you to just take a look at the entire watch here. Okay, this is brand new. Bracelet is unsized. Okay, it just looks fantastic. Okay, the stickers are removed. Okay, this time around, for some reasons they are pretty strict, and you're not allowed to leave the boutique unless they remove the barcode stickers from you. So this is the Tudor Black Bay BB58. Fantastic watch. I'm gonna have a great time reviewing this one. I'm gonna take lots of photos, and stay tuned for the full review video. And this is the Watch Kaki. Alright, I'm from Singapore. Bye bye.